When you book a flight, one of the first decisions you'll face is how to check in. You'll usually have two options: online check-in or airport check-in. At first, they might seem like the same thing, but the differences can seriously affect your travel experience, especially if it's your first time flying. But before we get into it, welcome to Travel Wisdom. Online check-in or airport check-in, what's better? Please tell me in the comments. Now let's get started. Let's break it down in a simple way so you know exactly what to expect. First, online check-in. This is when you check in for your flight using your phone, laptop, or an app before you even get to the airport. Most airlines open online check-in around 24 to 48 hours before departure. When you check in online, you confirm your seat, get your boarding pass, and sometimes even choose or change your seat. Your boarding pass is usually sent to your phone or email, so you don't need to print anything unless you want to. This means when you arrive at the airport, you can skip one of the biggest lines, the check-in counter. If you're only traveling with carry-on luggage, you can go straight to security. That alone can save you a lot of time, especially in busy airports. But here's something important. If you have checked baggage, you still need to go to a bag drop counter. It's usually faster than regular check-in, but it's not completely skip the line. Now let's talk about airport check-in. This is the traditional way. You arrive at the airport, go to your airline's check-in desk, show your passport, and they print your boarding pass for you. If you're checking bags, they'll take care of everything right there. For first-time travelers, this can feel safer because there's a real person helping you. If something is wrong, like your name, visa, or travel documents, they can help fix it on the spot. But the downside is time. Airport check-in lines can be long, especially during peak travel hours. You might end up standing in line for 30 minutes, an hour, or even longer depending on the airport. Another key difference is seat selection. With online check-in, you usually get earlier access to available seats. That means a better chance of getting a window seat, aisle seat, or sitting with your travel partner. If you wait until airport check-in, your options might be limited. In some cases, you could even get stuck in a middle seat. Now let's talk about flexibility and control. Online check-in really puts you in control. You can take your time, review your details, and fix small mistakes before heading to the airport. It also reduces stress because one big step is already done before you leave home. Airport check-in, on the other hand, is more reactive. You handle everything at the airport, which can feel rushed, especially if you're already worried about security lines, boarding times, and finding your gate. But online check-in isn't always available. Some airlines require airport check-in if you're traveling internationally, need a visa check, or are flying to certain countries. In those cases, even if you check in online, you may still need to visit the counter. So, which one should you choose? If you want to save time, avoid lines, and have more control over your seat and boarding pass, online check-in is usually the better option. But if you're nervous, unsure about your documents, or just want extra help, airport check-in can give you peace of mind, especially for your first trip. In the end, both options get you on the plane. The difference is how smooth and stress-free your journey feels before you even take off. Thank you so much for watching. Online check-in or airport check-in, what's better? Please tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.